Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the Rokid Max2 black color and Rokid Station2 silver color. So this time I'm so excited to show you the cleverly designed glasses plus host combo. So first, let's check the Rokid Max2. And this is a made device. Its weight only 75 grams and is supports 0 to 600 degrees of diopter adjustment and intelligence preliminary distance. So for this device, it can provide impressive movie watching experience. Support 4K 30 FPS video hardware coding, skin readaptation, motion mode, and multitasking and light productivity. And then it's a Rokid Station2. This is just a simple remote, but a computing unit integrating a Snapdragon processor, a 5100 battery, and various sensors. Its aluminum alloy body gives a solid feel. The dual Type-C port supports 18-watt charge by using. The next, well, okay, let's unbox it to check what's inside this box first. Okay, so excited to check what's inside this box. Rokid. Okay, first it's Rokid Max2 case is in front of us. Okay, it's a decent high quality case with leather cover and also to provide some accessories. Okay, so this is accessories. Okay, let's check it. It's a cable and a nose pad, and also here is another accessories inside. Okay, this is the user manual and the Rokid stickers. Okay, also we can find a QR code. We scan it to download the application through the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, so let's put it aside, the Rokid Max2 black. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside the first. Also, we find the glass clothes to clean the glass. It's a microfiber clothes, so it can protect the glass from scratch. Okay, clean the lens, replacing the nose pad and consulting the use guide. And next is the Rokid Station2. Oh, same way to open the box, and also we can find the QR code in front of at the first time, and then okay, the station inside. Okay, nothing left. For the Rokid Station2 host, this is the brain and the power source of the entire system. It's integrated Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 8GB RAM plus 228GB RAM station, and also 5000 battery, as I mentioned, and it's responsible for running the system and providing computing power and supplying the electricity. Let's check the accessory inside this box. Okay, also is a menu of the Power Station 2, and also they included some other accessories. It's a sticker as well. Okay, let's put it here, and also the cable. Yes, this is also the cable. Let's put it here. And if we want to use this system, we need to connect the glass to the Station2 host to transmit the video signals and powers. And also, if we want to get the power from the AR glass, we also need the power. The station also we can use it when we use the power station and the AR glass. We'll be charging it. Okay, so first, Rokid Max2 glass was well protected in this case. It's a high quality case, and also to have a soft bondage to protect the glass. So Rokid Max2, and also here will protect it. That's cover for the lens. Yes, let's try to take it. Okay, lock. Yes, this cover for air glass, and also there's a protector on the glass. And here we can find there's buttons to adjust the diopters of the glass, and also the legs is also very flexible, so it can adjust and suit all kinds of head size. Rokid logo here, and it's past the get the certification. Now here's the Type-C charging port, nose pad, and here's the speaker, and also we can adjust the volume here, and also the microphone here. Yes, so generally speaking, the flexible glass leg and the new generation of air cushion nose pad can fit various face and head size. It's very convenient, and the lightweight design, 75 grams, can be very user friendly for long time using. And here is the Station 2. Remove the film before use. And for the Station 2, it's the brain of the system. And also there's a touchpad, volume button, power button. Yes, this is the power button. Yes, and we can press. This is the home button, back button, and also support the gesture recognition. No controller is needed. Just basic like the pinching, making a fist, or showing a palm are recognized for selection. And this is the Type-C to Type-C cable to connect the glass to the Station 2. With the 5,000 battery, it can get approximately 3 to 4 hours battery life, and it's sufficient for long flight or half a day intimate use. And also connect to the keyboard, mouse, or game controllers, offer good accessibility and capability. It's generally better than Android device than with iOS device. Fiber close, and nose pad. And this time it is to provide a new generation of air cushion nose pad, so it can fit various face shape well. And for nearsighted users, the support 0 to 600 diopters of adjustment, so it's eliminating the need for additional prescription lens. This is pretty nice. And we can connect the station to the glass at the end of the glass leg, and also we can change the nose pad. So this is pretty cool for the Rokid Max2 and Rokid Station2, and it is solid entry-level hardware option for the rule. Next, let's have some in-depth testing and analysis of the pros and cons of the device. So now I enter the OS,
so you can check.
And it's powered by the U.OS, a master OS deeply customized based on Android and user-friendly for beginners. And also the cross-platform wireless screen monitor.
Here's the user
mirror
menu.
featuring. It's very practical. I will show you
support multi-language. And also
now I've used it to watch some videos.
Introduction about device.
Device, if you connect
this
to
is
the big screen, and can
English,
screen
Germany,
mirroring
Spain,
from Android,
Russia,
iOS, Micro-OLED,
Italy,
and other
Spain,
devices, offering strong
French.
expandability.
Here we find the
Station
introduction about device.
Gesture,
front side,
action muscles.
Front camera,
currently
receiver,
handled through the Station 2 touchpad and the
also
newly
the
added gesture
hole,
recognition.
and at the back side,
don't know controller is
night
needed.
vision light,
Suggestions.
mid camera, the macro camera, the night vision camera.
Convenient and powerful.
You find the
and if
camera,
you take it to the
camera, it's just like the
who provides the super large screen
shape.
Experience for movie and gaming,
like,
and this is a perfect choice. And support multi-screen collaboration and free if you're frequently on business trip or work on the go, and also this is a good option. Yes, I'm showing you the touchpad, gesture, 1 finger, 2 fingers. So this is very cool. device. Besides the movies, also to watch the live game, football, or provide massive sports experience. AR glass, and now I use the mirroring to my MacBook Air. Will support it, and the screen can sync the content we source with our glass, and also we can touch it, control it. Especially in some circumstances, you just scan QR code or login or something. This is better for you to have a screen mirroring. And it excels at providing an immersive large screen viewing experience, but also currently falls shortly of fully replacing a phone computer in terms of software ecosystem and the multitasking capabilities. And we use this glass. Okay, very nice. And next, I'd like to go to my office and testing the working. And now after you log into the working applications, you can reply messages, talking to colleagues, have video meeting with the AR glass, and also it can instantly connect to a foldable wireless keyboard through Bluetooth. Can handle light office tasks like document editing and email processing very fluently, and also support cloud service integration. The file manager natively support accessing NAS and cloud storage, and provide 100 GB of free cloud storage space. And also sure support some editment functions and provide some special content to suit the 3D videos. So in summary, the Rokid Max2 Plus Station 2 is a distinctive entry-level spatial computer kit. So do you like it? Leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Bye bye.